Good morning, students. I am Dr.R.SUGANYA, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today I am going to talk about the types of computer forensic systems. There are many types of computer forensic systems like Internet Security System, Intrusion Detection System, Firewall Security System, Storage Area Network Security System, Network Disaster Recovery System, Public Key Infrastructure Security System, Wireless Network Security System, Satellite Encryption Security Systems, Instant Messaging Security Systems, Net Privacy Systems, Identity Management Security Systems, and Identity Theft Prevention Systems. So, there are many types of computer forensic systems. So, how we can see in detail about these systems. First is internet security systems. This internet and network security, we know everybody uses the internet, Wi-Fi, right? And how we can secure this. Or top that many executives, managers avoid this, but they discuss their security implementation like any confidential informations, so how they can secure. So internet and network security are topics that many executives and managers avoid talking about. So many feel that discussing their security implementations and policies will cause their companies to become vulnerable to attack. Ironically, internet security can provide a more secure solutions as well as one that is faster and less expensive than traditional solutions to security problems of employees, photocopying proprietary information, faxing or mailing purchase orders, or placing orders by phone. So here there is a hierarchy, internet security hierarchy. How we can secure this? First, the public information we have to secure, then company which is being private, and departmental, private, and mission we have to make it, which is being critical situations. And next is about intrusion detection systems. So intrusion detection systems help system to prepare for all and deal with attacks. Intrusion detection means the word intrusion detection, which means where there is some malfunctions or some the problem which occurs. Okay, so that we have to detect and we have to deal with that. And they collect information from a variety of vantage points within computer systems. So where they can see this intrusion means in computer systems, networks. Okay, so the vulnerability assessment system checks systems and networks for system problems and configuration errors that represent security vulnerabilities. Monitoring and analysis of user and system activity, auditing of system configurations and vulnerabilities, assessing the integrity of critical system and data files, recognition of activity patterns reflecting known attacks, statistical analysis of abnormal activity patterns, firewall security system. So what is this firewall? So we know that it is it will be like a checkpoint, like a gateway to enter into a network. So firewall just avoids the intrusions. So firewall security system here for most organizations now connecting to internet and big business and big money moving towards like electronic commerce at warp speed. The motive for mischief from outside is growing rapidly and creating a major security risk to enterprise networks. Reacting to this threat, an increasing number of network administrators are installing the latest firewall technology as a first line of defense in the form of barrier against outside attacks. These firewall gateways provide a choke point at which security and auditing can be imposed. They allow access to resources on the internet from within the organizations while providing controlled access from the internet to hosts inside the virtual private network. Storage area network security systems. So here stands a relatively new methodology for attaching storage whereby a separate network connects all storage and servers. This network would be high performance implementation such as a fiber channel that encapsulates protocols such as a small computer system interface. These are most efficient at transferring data blocks from storage and have hardware implementation offering buffering and delivery guarantees. This is not available using TCP/IP. So SI means Small Computer System Interface. Here we can see the diagram where the storage centric model of computing. So the LAN WAN, which uses the Unix systems and just a branch of drivers, and fiber channels, which has been a hub and switch, which has hubs and switches, which helps to store the data. This is being centralized disk subsystem, centralized management, tape libraries, and external sites. Network disaster recovery system. The high availability of mission critical systems and communication is a major requirement for the viability of modern organization. A network disaster could negate the capability of organization to provide uninterrupted services to its internal and external customers. So the whole network has to be recovery. So nowadays many things happen in life. So public key infrastructure systems, the PKI, which assumes a use of public key cryptography, which is the most common method on the internet for authentication of a message sender or encryption of a message. Traditional cryptography involves the creation and sharing of a secret key for the encryption and decryption of messages. A PKI consists of a certificate authority that issues and verifies digital signatures, and it acts as a verifier for the certificate authority. And a certificate management system is also available, and one or more directories where the certificates with their public keys. And next is wireless network security system. The only reason the wireless virus of today have not been more damaging is that there's a lack of functionality and a lack of mature infrastructure globally. That's about to change, and industry analysts predicts dramatic increases in wireless handled uses and proliferations of new mobile capabilities. So here we can see the low Earth orbit network and the path of a publicly encrypted messages, an instant messaging security system. So here the individual employee registers for this services. Thank you.